gentlemen, the Supreme Court has decided that the CBI inquiry into the extortion racket will continue. The focus is on the truth behind who really was Sachin Waze's boss. So while many will try and distract you from the real subject, the Republic Network is determined to get you the facts that have been hidden in collaboration with the Lutyens media. The truth the Lutyens media will not tell you because they have their hands in the cookie jar. Tonight I come to you with documents, testimonies, signatures, investigations that expose the real truth. Here is the debate exclusive, and then the big debate.
Action at the NIA office as encounter cop turned Neta. Pradeep Sharma was summoned a second time in 2 days.
सर आपसे क्या जानना चाहेंगे सर?
From Mumbai to Delhi, the action was unfolding as a critical hearing began in the extortion case in the Supreme Court. And the Maharashtra government tried its best to block a CBI investigation.
Supreme Court today has said the preliminary inquiry in the Anil Deshmukh case will continue. Dr. Singhvi and Kapil Sibal, appearing for the Maharashtra government in Anil Deshmukh, tried to say that he'd not been given a chance to be heard before the initiation of the preliminary inquiry. However, the top court has said, keeping the nature of allegations, the seriousness and the involvement of the two people, it is very clear that an independent investigation by an independent agency is warranted.
As the hearing was underway, a political fight had broken outside.
14 मार्च को संजय राउत कह रहे गिरफ्तारी के बाद कि एक होनहार, काबिल, कामयाब, इंटेलिजेंट इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर को तकलीफ दी जा रही, यानी जिसके बारे में अब इतना सारा खुलासा हुआ है उसके लिए इनका समर्थन कर रहे थे आखिरी दम तक। ये क्यों कर रहे थे कि कहीं सच्चाई ना उगाले।
Tonight, even Parambir Singh has a lot to answer for. The man the Supreme Court referred to as almost the right-hand man of the former Home Minister of Maharashtra was acting swiftly and usurping all powers. Watch how we expose him.
In this particular case, he goes on to say that previous sanction of the Commissioner of Police shall be obtained before initiating any preliminary inquiry, which in itself is a violation. Secondly, previous sanction of the Commissioner of Police shall be obtained for closing any preliminary inquiry. Previous sanction of the Commissioner of Police shall be obtained before registering of FIR after completion of preliminary inquiry. And not just that, any arrest that is also made. Permission of the Commissioner of Police shall be obtained for carrying out all arrest and submission of charge sheet final report.
Watch this second document. 4 months later, Parambir, emboldened, made a further change. This time the 100 crore cap for investigations was removed. He said, permission of the Commissioner of Police shall be obtained for carrying out all arrests and submission of charge sheet or final reports. By now he had taken complete control even of the economic offences wing. Now consider these documents. Both have Parambir Singh's signatures on them, and both come a day after the Mumbai police report exposed how rules were bent by Parambir.
माननीय बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने बहुत स्पष्ट रूप से ये कहा था कि जिस प्रकार के आरोप लगे हैं उससे मंत्री ये शक के दायरे में आए हैं। जो महाविकास आघाड़ी के लोग टिप्पणी कर रहे थे, बात कर रहे थे और बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहे थे, उन सबको एक प्रकार से जवाब मिला है। मेरा विश्वास है कि अब इस निर्णय के बाद सीबीआई जांच करेगी और ये जो वसूली का रैकेट चल रहा था, इस रैकेट का पर्दाफाश होगा।
Tonight the CBI is probing not just Sachin Waze, but all of his possible partners in crime, including Pradeep Sharma, who has been named.
Massive confession from Sachin Waze, where he has claimed that Pradeep Sharma had been not just involved in acquiring the gelatin sticks for placing them inside the Scorpio car outside near Antalya, but also had been present with him during the time that Sachin Waze had allegedly called Mansukh Hiren and called him to meet him where in fact after a few hours Mansukh Hiren had turned up mysteriously dead. And the claims that Sachin Waze has made, and where he has confessed that Pradeep Sharma was involved in this entire conspiracy. Pradeep Sharma had helped in fact in acquiring the gelatin sticks that had been placed inside the Scorpio car, and that there was a contact, a businessman in fact who was in the construction business, he had helped in acquiring this gelatin sticks as well.
It's not about just Waze, and it's not limited to just a few officers. The police-politician nexus is getting bigger, and Republic TV is right on top of the investigation. Let's debate.